There is now enhanced PDF file format support in AutoCAD 2010. What we're going to do, we're going to go to our Output tab here on the ribbon at the top of the screen. And as you can see there, we have an Export to DWF PDF panel on the ribbon. If I click here on the Export pull down, you'll see there that I can export out to a DWF or a PDF. There's also DWFX, you'll notice. So we've got two types of DWF and a PDF. If I click on any of those, it will export out to those file types using the current settings. Let's have a look at those settings now. I can export here using my current layout or all layouts if I've got multiple layouts in a drawing. This drawing only has the one layout, so I could just utilize the current layout. Page setup there is current, or I can override it by changing the settings. I'm just going to stick with current at the moment. We also have these buttons here. I can preview what I'm actually going to plot, just like Plot Preview does. And also here I can look at my options, what I'm going to export as and what settings I'm going to use. Let's click on that now and have a look at those settings. So this works with both DWF and PDF. So if I've got multiple layouts and I'm exporting those multiple layouts to either a DWF or a PDF, I can set it up as a multi-sheet file, you'll notice there, or I can set it up as a single sheet file so that each layout goes to a separate PDF or DWF. I can also utilize password protection. The PDFs or the DWFs may have sensitive information, so I can set up password protection. I can include layer information if I need to. I can include merge control where the lines overwrite if I need to, or the lines merge. I can also include block information in either DWF or PDF files. There is support for that now in a number of PDF products, and also with DWF you've got Design Review where you can look at that block information in an Autodesk Review product. So I could include block information if I want to. I'm just going to cancel that now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my plot icon here, my plot button. And this will open up the plot dialog box. As you can see, it's thinking about it for a few seconds. There's lots of information there, that's why. Now I don't have a current page set up, but what I'm going to show you here is the support for the PDF files in AutoCAD 2010. I need to set my printer plotter first of all to the appropriate PC3 file. So if I scroll down the list of printers, you'll see I've got many there. You'll see there's my DWG file to PDF PC3. PC stands for printer/plotter configuration, and these files come as default in AutoCAD 2010. So now DWG to PDF.PC3 is actually my printer. So if I click on plot now, it will go to a PDF file. I'm going to go to the Properties button here. Now as you can see, I can edit all of the settings for that PC3 file. What I'm going to do is go into Custom Properties here. And I click on Custom Properties down here. And I can now edit settings in the PC3 file. You'll notice there is better visual quality now. I can edit different DPIs like so. So those are my vector resolutions in the AutoCAD drawing. These are my raster resolutions in the PDF that I'm outputting to. Beware though, they need to be the same. You can't plot to 400 dpi on a vector resolution and then try and take that up to a 600 dpi on a raster resolution. They have to be the same. If you try and do that, you'll get an error message from AutoCAD 2010 saying sorry, can't do that. Now, font handling. This is very useful. You can capture none of the fonts if you want to. When they go into either a DWF or a PDF, you can capture some of them and you can edit the font list if you wish, or you can capture all of them if you want to. The best one is capture some, because that captures all your existing fonts in your drawing and takes them into your DWF or PDF. You can also include layer information in the PDF. We've already discussed that a little bit already. And you can open in a PDF viewer when done, something like Adobe Acrobat Reader, for example. So there's lots of file support there for PDF. I'm going to cancel that dialog there, cancel that dialog there, and cancel that dialog there. There's a large amount of PDF support now, And Autodesk have realized that PDF is a very, very common file format used by a large number of Autodesk and AutoCAD users. So PDF support has been enhanced. Something you won't notice in the background is when you export out to a PDF now, the file sizes are smaller. So that will help as well, purely from a file management viewpoint. So as you can see, lots of PDF support, and again in a nice easy to use interface, allowing you to be more productive and more effective with AutoCAD 2010.